guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, The Survival Kid, and today we will be going through my complete survival gear collection in 2022 because it's always expanding. And without further ado, let's hop into this video. So first off, we have my backpacking bag, and I just really like this bag. Next, we have our sleeping bag. This keeps me warm when I go camping or backpacking, and I really like this. It's a solid piece of gear. Next is our day pack. It unzips and it becomes a backpack that you can use for storage. Next is my knife cleaning kit. So this is the cloth, and these are stuff that I use to clean my knives. Next, we have our solar powered lamp. So you sit this out in the sun, it charges, and then you can light it up. It has a red SOS signal built into it, which is really cool. And then this is a pot. Just unlatch it, take the top off, slide it off. Becomes a nice little pot for you to cook with. And I have no fuel for it, but this is, if I can get it open, a little compact oven. So you hook the gas into here, you spread it apart. Next, we have our machete, and it has really strong grip, and I like it for cutting stuff up and making shelter. Next, we have our Bigfoot Bushcraft fire plugs, which I used in the how to make a fire video where I made a fire, and these are absolutely essential and I love them. After that, it's just a little fun gourd that I made. Here is another water canister. It is a canteen. Next, we have my binoculars. Next, we have our monocular. It's just like a binocular. It's only one. Very good. Good quality. Love it. Duct tape, absolutely essential. Next, we have our trainer butterfly knife. It's got no blade, but you can do cool tricks. I cannot since I'm in a cast right now. After that, we have our throwing knives. Look like this. And then this is like a hammer axe thing. Got it for Christmas. Now this big hunk is my med kit. It can strap onto something, but inside is a lot of stuff that can treat about anything. And I added some of my own stuff in it. Next, we have this tool that can be used to make a log cabin, so it drills in like this. We have my hatchet with my name on it. This is an emergency tent. It keeps in your body heat. And then this is an emergency sleeping bag, which also keeps in your body heat. It's made out of this material. These two things are paracord, and it has a cutter on it, and I believe this is the same thing. This is a cool piece of technology for fishing. This is not an actual grenade, but it has a lot of survival equipment in it. This is an emergency survival blanket, much like these ones up here, and it keeps in your body heat. We got a headlamp, and then this is like a shower in a bag. Really cool piece of technology. You just kind of like squish it, it mixes in the soap, and you can shower yourself and your gear. This right here is my knife sharpener. You do it like this, put it down on the table. This is for fine tips. This is to make it like sharper, and you hold right there. This is my flashlight. This is a mirror to signal using the sun. We have a EDC, everyday carry knife. We have matches. This is also part of my knife cleaning kit. This is a compass. So you unlatch this. We've got a compass. This is a credit card knife, so you can just like unfold it and use it as a knife. These are really cool. I bought this. This is a spearhead, and this is also a spearhead, and I just think they're really beautiful and pretty. This is my fire starter from a video ago. This is paracord. Use a lot of that stuff. Everyday carry knife, small, simple, easy. And then this is my first ever pocket knife I got. It's a Swiss Army knife, and it has my name on it. Finally, to wrap it up, we have some pickle Band-Aids, just cause why not. Got some masks, and some paracord bracelets, a whistle, and that just about wraps it up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.